Fantastic. That is a hard coin to find. And I found 2 in £500. Is that my luck completely run out for the week now? Yay! In the same bag. They're just pieces of metal, Trev. Chill out a little bit. Okay, it's the last night. Friday night. How have we got on with this new format? Well, not new format, because Absolute Coins, he does £100 every Saturday morning. That's how my Saturday morning starts, watching one of his videos. Well, what do you think, guys? Is this sort of cool, or is it naff, or whatever? I don't know, let me know. But hopefully I've got 10 more bags in here. The last 10. This is gonna be a little bit embarrassing if there isn't 10 bags in here, isn't it? That's 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yay! Maths, amazing. Monday night, a most amazing start with an Isaac Newton. Tuesday, an amazing football, Olympics, yay! Then I found a 2020 shield, which I've been looking for ages. Wednesday night, I found a Jersey Territories, and last night, Thursday, I found a top tier Olympic, and that was Olympic Triathlon. Fantastic. So we found some amazing coins. Today has got to beat the week. I think we've got to find something truly amazing in this hunt today. We probably won't, but if we could find a Kew Gardens today, oh my god, you wouldn't believe me. You'd think I'd rigged it, but no, I haven't, I promised. But I wouldn't care. I wouldn't care what you guys think, because I would have found a Kew Gardens. Very nice. So what are we going to find? Is this going to be a weekly tradition of finding or having a bust bag to start with? Yes, it is. Oh dear, never mind. There we go, let's count down. 10, 9. Right, just found another 2020. Is this going to be my second shield? Or is it going to be a diversity or even a Brexit? Let's find out. It's a diversity. What are we up to now with them men? 1, 2, 3, hang on. Oh, 6 now so far this week. We got 4 platinums. And we got 5 Benjamins. There we go. Another bag. I thought I just saw rabbit ears for a second then when I picked these coins up. Maybe not. Oh, I did. But it's not too exciting. It's just a 2017. 2 of those now. Come on, I would have loved an 18. I would still love an 18, still got time. An 18 Peter Rabbit. I've got a few Flopsy Bunnies in my set, in my collection. I haven't found that many Peter Rabbits from 2018. And then I've sold a couple of sets of Beatrix Potter coins, so I don't know if I've got any outside of my main album, any 2018 Peter Rabbits left. Anyway, just adjusting my stack of coins there. Another dictionary, number 3 for the week. No, number 4 for the week actually. And we found another, probably the best condition one I think so far. Another platinum anniversary. I think that's probably the best one for the week. So that's number 5 now, isn't it? There we go. And a few more bags to go. Oh, Battle of Britain. Where is the camera? There it is, focused. Battle of Britain. So with the Battle of Britons, we have to check the portrait. Some of these have got the Jodie Clark portrait, which are the ones that meant to be for circulation. Some of them, very rare ones that were never meant to go into circulation, just for the collector's packs, have the Ian Rank Broadley portrait. So let's spin it over, and you never know, this could be the amazing coin we need to finish off this week-long hunt. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just a Jodie Clark, a JC portrait. Never mind. It's one of those cool coins. I don't think it's that much over face value, but I don't find it very often, so it is a very cool coin to find. Alright, 2017, so a very rare shield or a Potter. It's another Isaac Newton! No way! That is fantastic. I've got two Newtons, two different Newtons to choose from. The Queen is in a lot better condition. Yeah, the other Newton's very grubby, so I'm probably putting this one into my book. Fantastic. That is a hard coin to find, and I found two in £500. That is cool. That is cool. Nice one. Yay! And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if the triathlon is rarer than the pentathlon. It doesn't matter, because I've got a pentathlon as well. Yay! In the same bag. Nice. And again, we're finding some really good condition coins this week, aren't we? Look at that. Oh, what a bottom row of coins. We got a Scouts. We got a Scouts. He's alright. We'll put them down there. I just said he's alright. Girls can be Scouts too. Dear oh dear. Is that it? Is that now? Is that my luck completely run out for the week now? Is that it? Oh well. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. They're just pieces of metal, Trev. Chill out a little bit. Oh dear. Brilliant. Is that my luck all used up? Who knows? Who knows? Let's crack on. Find out. Okay, last bag of the week. Last bag of 5 nights of coin hunting. And I have found some amazing coins this week. It's nothing to do with the format because it's completely random where these coins are, isn't it? But if it was something, I'll do this format every week if I could get these amazing coins. It's been absolutely brilliant this week. Fantastic. We got a Girl Guides. Spin it around almost the right way up. Girl Guides. Put that one on the top. Yes, so absolutely blinding. Probably not going to find anything else in this last few coins. Shields and Britannias. Finished. What a week. Loads of coins. Who won? We got 5 Benjamin Bunnies, which I'll sign and put into the wild. We found 5 dictionaries. I think we found 5 anniversary coins. The winner is 6 Diversity Built Britons. Let's just talk about the bottom row here. The absolute star finds from every night. Monday we found a Newton. Fantastic. And then Tuesday night, we found the football and the 2020 Shield. Wednesday night, we found the Jersey Territories, 50p. Thursday night, the amazing Triathlon Olympic. And then tonight, oh wow, we found another Newton and another Olympic, and that's Pentathlon. Absolutely amazing, fantastic. Apart from the bunnies, maybe I'll keep hold of the 70th anniversary. Everything else goes back to the bank. Let's slide these over here. Bunnies, put there for a second, and move those over as well. We got to put some coins in the book, and then we can wrap up this week, can't we? So, first of all, we're still looking for that suffragettes. Never mind. We got no Olympics for this first page. We got the football though, didn't we? Can I get into this with my gloves on? I'm going to take my gloves off. First time this week, the gloves are coming off. Yes, insert out. Where'd the football go? There it is. Beautiful. I'm not a big fan of the design. I would have loved another net, a sort of ball being kicked into the net. Or does anybody of a certain age remember the competitions, the spot the ball competitions in the papers? that would have been really good. For some reason I like the grid pattern, so I like the sailing, and then I like the volleyball, which I think is my favourite. And then it's the tennis. Oh yeah, net up there. Tennis. I love the nets or the grids. So yeah, a net, goal scored. Football, I think personally would have been better. Never mind, it's rare. I found it. Yay. Next, it would be Newton. Still looking for the puddle duck and the squirrel nutkins. Squirrel nutkins ain't too hard to find, I don't think. Newtons. Now, I've got two, haven't I? So, what two? Which one? Sorry. Queenie's better on the second one. Monday night's on the left. Tonight's is on the right. Queenie's definitely better. And I don't think there's much in it for this side either. I don't think so. We'll go with the tonight's one. It's good to get Newton ticked off the list early-ish. Oh, of course we've got the Olympics, haven't we? So we go back to triathlon there. Get that out. Triathlon. That is good condition. That is a good one. I think we found a couple of shocking ones of that. Or is it pentathlon? Absolute shocking condition. But that one is good. And then triathlon, pentathlon. Got to get the tweezers involved. Some idiot tucked a little flappy tongue bit inside. There we go. Out. Pentathlon. And again, that is a good condition. Good condition. We have been blessed with the condition of some of these coins, actually. And it's gone in wonky, but never mind. I've got it. There we go. Brilliant. Anything else? Oh, we're going to put the territories, the jersey at the back. We've already got some territories, haven't we? Oh, I've already got a jersey. Oh, I forgot about that. I've already got a jersey. So that can go back to the bank, to be honest with you. I won't keep hold of that one. 2006, I don't want to do a date run of them. That can go back to the bank. We're going to keep that Newton, obviously. Now, 2020 Shield. I think I'm going to put it at the back as an oddity, because we found a 2017 Shield. Let's just put the 2020 Shield next to it. Don't worry about pulling that out and swapping it around and leaving spaces for it. No. There we go. So we got our territories. We got our 2020 Shield. We found nothing on that page. I've got the station, haven't I? Got all the Paddingtons there. We found the Newton. Wabbits. Ducks. Still looking for. Let me know what you think. £500 spread over 5 nights, £100 a night. Did you enjoy it? Did you have fun? Good. good. So I might do this again in the future. Who knows? Please like and subscribe if you really got anything out of this video. It would be great if you could do that for me. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.